If you think you are unhappy, look at them. If you think your salary is low, how about her? If you think you don't have many friends, when you feel like giving up, think of this man. If you think you suffer in life, do you suffer as much as he does? If you complain about your transport system, how about them? If your society is unfair to you, how about her? Enjoy life how it is, and as it comes. Things are worse for others and is a lot better for us. There are many things in your life that will catch your eye, but only a few will catch your heart. Pursue those. Does studying anyone? Not them. You hate vegetable, but they starve from hunger. Does your parents' care tire you? Look, they don't have any. You become bored of the same game, but they have no option. Someone got you Adidas instead of Nike. Here, they only have one brand. Aren't you thankful for a bed to sleep in? They'd wish not to wake up. Are you still complaining? Observe around you and be thankful for all that you have in this transitory lifetime. We are fortunate. We have much more than what we need to be content. Let's try not to feed this endless cycle of consumerism and immorality, in which this modern and advanced society forgets and ignores the other 2/3 of our brothers and sisters. Let's complain less and give more.